Hi, I'm Dr. Karen E. Wells, and I cannot wait to welcome you to my one-day workshop on the 24th of February, which is Ancestral Whispers, Healing Your Genetic Lines. If you've ever thought that there's something that's been passed down through either one of your parental lines that could be affecting your health, that could be affecting your relationships, that could be affecting your life in any way, we are going to explore what it is that's held within your genetics. Now, using the powerful tool of regression, I'll be taking you in this one-day workshop back to be regressed to see what the source is of the issue that you're carrying down your ancestral lines. Now, this powerful one-day workshop is taking place on the 24th of February and is UK time 10 till 4. If you cannot make the live recording or the live workshop, it'll be recorded for you, but it's going to be extremely powerful. So I do hope that you can really join me on there. I'll see you there.